Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Akfazi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about analytical balance, and I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe it and share it in your friend circle. So what is the objective? Define the meaning and how to use properly the analytical balance. Analytical balances are instruments used for precise determining mass of matter. Analytical balances are designed for great precision in quantitative chemical analysis. They yield readability to 4 decimal places to the right of the decimal points, so up to 0.0001 grams. This is the beauty of analytical balance. Now friends, they are extremely sensitive, and since air currents can affect their measurements, must be covered by a draft shield. They are used for sample up to about 320 gram. It requires main electricity or battery supply power, and these balances are used to weigh small quantities, usually in milligram ranges, when great accuracy is required. Example 2.750 milligram, 0.330 milligram, like that. You see, this is the analytical balance, electronic analytical balance. Very nice. How to use the analytical balance? Preparing the balance for use. Before weighing anything on the analytical balance, you must make sure that it is leveled and zeroed. To check the leveling on the balance, look at the leveling bubbles on the floor of the weighing chamber. It is not centered. Center it by turning the leveling screws on the bottom toward the back of the balance. Once the balance is level, close all chambers doors and press the control bar on the front of the balance. After a few seconds, a row of 0 will appear. This indicates that the balance is zeroed and ready for use. So weighing a liquid, powder or granular substance. These substances must always be weighed using an appropriate weighing container. Place the weighing container on the balance pane and close the door. Tear the container by briefly pressing the control bar. The readout will read 0 with the container sitting on the pan. This allows the mass of your sample to be read directly. Add the substance to be weighed. Be careful not to spill chemicals on the balance. If need be, you can remove the container from the weighing chamber while you add the sample, provided that no one press the control bar before you weigh your sample. So friends, with the sample and its container sitting on the pan, close the chamber doors and read the display to find the mass of your sample. Weighing a solid object directly on the balance. If the object you need to weigh is a solid object, you can weigh it directly on the pan. Be sure the balance is 0. Open the chamber doors carefully. Place the object on the balance pan. Close the doors and read the mass of your object. Cleaning up the shutting down the balance. When you are done with the balance, make sure you have properly cleaned up any chemicals that may have spilled on the balance. At the end of the day, the balance can be turned off by lifting up gently on the control bar. So friends, thank you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.